Hey, thanks so much for coming on so short notice. Actually had a business trip planned, and so I really appreciate it. My dog, he gets a little quirky at night though, so good luck with that. And I got I gotta go, so have fun.
Hey, Pinkie Pie, get in the car, dipshit.
I have a headache, hurry up.
Hey, motherfucker, do you have your mask?
Yes, I have my mask.
Kill yourself.
Gladly.
Asshole.
A big ass house, not gonna lie. Man, fuck that quirky ass dog. I'm gonna take a nap. The fuck you want, man?
I require nutrients.
Alright. Where the fuck's the kitchen at? Yo, Angel, what the fuck's going on, man?
There's no kitchen.
What the fuck? What? Damn. Disappeared like my dad.
I still require nutrients.
You see, buddy, I don't know what else to fucking tell you, man. There's no kitchen. Other than that weird
I
ass
still
angel,
require
man.
nutrients.
Well, check the garage then. Maybe there's some dog food. Damn, it's dark. The fuck? Seems pretty empty to me, to be honest. Other than those two presents. Not in here, I guess. Fucking.
I'm gonna go find my own nutrients.
Now hold on. Hey, you fucking dog, man. Hey. God, fuck that quirky ass dog, man. I need that. Feeling tired as fuck though. Hmm? Fuck this shit. Nothing ain't that. Fuck those 2 cents.